My name is Sara Rani Reddy, and I am a senior at Ursuline Academy in Cincinnati, Ohio. Growing up in an age where technology has revolutionized the way people see the world, I began exploring how to leverage technology to solve the problems that I noticed in my daily life. I designed the Ursuline Merici Schedule App to help students, teachers, and administrators at my high school become more efficient with their time while using our complex modular schedule, the Merici Schedule, named after Saint Angela Merici, the patron saint of my high school.
To foster independence and self-discovery, the Merici schedule uses a 6-day cycle with 18 mods per day and 12 activity schedules with varying times for each mod. The 18 mods are filled with classes and free mods. There are no designated lunch mods, so when a student is free, she can be in a cafe eating, in the library studying, or meeting with a teacher. Before the app, students had to flip back and forth between 3 different papers to figure out where they were supposed to be. If a student is not in class, an administrator goes searching for her. No one wants to be the student who's eating lunch thinking she's free and sees a staff member approaching her with a demerit slip.
Sara Rani really picked up the torch and ran with it, so to speak, in making sure that we got the app not only started design but also implemented.
One of my first tasks in designing the app was to make a wireframe to show all of the features, including the ability for each student to enter her own schedule. Although I did not write all of the code, I was the design architect. I made sure the user interface for all of the features was easy and efficient. I used repositories and also got help from a family friend who has written several apps. I donated the app to my school, and with the administration's approval, I named it after my school's Merici schedule. Here is the homepage with the 4 features. The daily schedule displays the student's schedule for the current school day and highlights the mod that corresponds to the current time. The monthly schedule has a calendar to preview a future date's classes or to make a to-do list with options to send reminders by email or text. Students can also access the 12 activity schedules and store a photo of their schedule.
It's not often that there is we have a student who gives the school something that will be used for many years to come. Certainly we have a lot of great students here, and we hold many great memories of different contributions that they've made to our community. But I think what's unique about what Sara Rani has done is that, and I think has to be satisfying for her, is that she knows that this will be in place for many years, long after she's graduated from Ursuline, that students will, I think, know and appreciate the contribution that she made to their life and the culture of school.
Using my entrepreneurial interests, I have identified a business model for adapting the app to fit the specific needs of other schools that also use a modular schedule.
Throughout the process, I learned how much I could accomplish when I used a collaborative approach to overcome many hurdles. With the help of my family, friends, and teachers, I was empowered to use my imagination, critical thinking skills, and perseverance to achieve my goals. In college, I will build upon this experience to make keen observations and discover new ways to solve problems to benefit my colleagues and my community.